Alright folks, gather around because today I've got something truly special for you. Ever heard of a dauphinoise potato and leek pie? Well, let me tell you, it's a dish that's not just a feast for your taste buds, but a hug for your soul. Now picture this. It's a chilly Sunday afternoon and the aroma of potatoes, cream, and leeks wafts through your home. This pie is the epitome of comfort food. But how did this delightful dish come to be? The story of dauphinoise potatoes, or gratin dauphinois as it's known in France, dates back to the 18th century. Originating from the Dauphin region, it's traditionally a simple yet rich dish of sliced potatoes, baked in milk or cream until they're meltingly tender. Now, combine that with the humble leek, a vegetable with a sweet, delicate flavor that's been loved since ancient times, and what you have is pure magic. Alright, let's dive into making this beauty. First, you'll need some good quality potatoes, preferably Maris pipers, and a couple of large leeks. Start by peeling and thinly slicing your potatoes. Think of them as little discs of happiness. As for the leeks, give them a good wash and slice them into thin rounds. In a large pan, melt a generous knob of butter and add your leeks. Cook them gently until they are soft and sweet. Then set them aside. Now, in the same pan, add a bit more butter and garlic, followed by your sliced potatoes. Give them a good stir, coating them in all that buttery goodness. Next, it's time to build the pie. In a pie dish, layer your potatoes and leeks, like you're assembling a comforting savory lasagna. Pour over a mixture of double cream and milk seasoned with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. This is where the magic happens. The cream soaks into the potatoes, creating a luscious, velvety texture that's simply irresistible. Pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour, until the top is golden and bubbling. The smell will drive you mad, but trust me, it's worth the wait. As you cut into your pie, you'll see those gorgeous layers of potato and leek all snuggled up together in a blanket of creamy goodness. Serve it up with a fresh, crisp salad or maybe some roasted veggies, and you've got yourself a meal that'll warm your heart and soul. So there you have it, the dauphinoise potato and leek pie. A dish steeped in history, bursting with flavor, and perfect for any occasion. Give it a try, and I promise it'll become a favorite in your home. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your foodie friends. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!